Welcome to another Dragon Ball Fusion special. Tonight we're gonna draw the fusion of Goku Black and Cumber, which we call Kanba Black. Kanba Black is basically one of the strongest fusions from Dragon Ball, which we never honestly got to see on the Dragon Ball series. Now you got the idea. Now let's get started.
Ukrainian officials blaming Russian military leader Mikhail Mizintsev after also known, by the way, as the butcher of Mariupol for many of the worst attacks against their country. They say he ordered the bombings of several civilian sites, including the children's hospital and drama theater.
Anyhow, compared to Goku Black, Cumber has a strong energy that can cause his opponents to go wild, berserk even. That's just something we've never got to understand. We never got to see Goku Black and Cumber fight. But it might be something the Game Master might do. You know, the one who brought Cumber out of his coma. Alright, let's get started. To draw Kanba Black, you must start the upper parts, then draw the I think you got the idea. Anyways, now we draw the scar under his left foot. If Goku Black and Cumber were to fuse, what would their Super Saiyan form be like? Would it be like Super Saiyan Rose with evil energy? I'm not sure. Now we draw the Patara earring. Here's the Goku Black belt.
Placentics can help you move, look, and feel better by treating the multiple symptoms of psoriatic arthritis. Don't use if you're allergic to placentics before starting to check for tuberculosis.
Now we draw the time ring on his finger.
Tell your doctor about an infection or symptoms, or if you've had a vaccine or plan to. Tell your doctor if your Crohn's disease symptoms develop or worsen. Serious allergic reactions may occur. Watch. Ask your rheumatologist about placentics. When my teeth started to deteriorate, I stopped playing out so soon. It was an easy decision.
Now we draw the belt for the fusion of Cumber and Goku Black. As you may notice, the Saiyan's belt is red, just from all the blood from all the mortals that he slaughtered. Who would have guessed that a fusion like Kanba Black would ever have something like that? Now we draw his thumb. There we go. Here's the Saiyan tail. I don't know why he has that. And finished. That's how you draw kanba black. To find out more on how to draw more blacks, folks, I got more fusions like this on the way, so sit back, relax, and enjoy what characters you want me to draw next in the comments below. And to be honest, I never really realized that Goku Black would ever fuse with another Saiyan. I mean, why would Zamasu ever want to fuse with a Saiyan of destruction, even though this guy has a reputation for destroying mortal kind. Probably to obtain this power to become stronger and truly understand how Saiyans function. Truly, I have no idea why that happened, but it's for the best. If you want to find out more about this, you can check out Unreal Ed Gaming, and I promise I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and check out which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.